Changing your email on Remitly is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings, find the section labeled email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed with changing your email. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will see a field to enter your new email address. Type in a new email you wish to use and double check for any typos. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. Now you have successfully updated your email on Remitly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Remitly's customer support for assistance.